So I often get asked how to relieve tension in the lower back if you have a tight, sore lower back. And one of the best things you can do actually is just rest on the ground, lie on the ground in a position called constructive rest. So it's really simple. You can lie on any piece of ground. You don't need a yoga mat. You can be on the grass outside. You can be on your kitchen floor, on your bedroom floor. It's best to lie on something firm, so rather than your bed. And what you want to do is bring your feet onto the ground, knees bent, and have a little bit of an angle you can see in the shins. So I haven't got my feet right underneath my knees. They're a little bit away. And your hands just rest onto the lower belly or hips. So this is called constructive rest, and it's a really, really beneficial position, and it's a sort of a fail-safe in some ways for the back. And if in doubt, this is what I would call my if in doubt position. Just come and lie here for 10 or 15 minutes. You can put on some music. You could listen to a guided relaxation. I've got lots of other short ones that you can do with this as well, just lying down on the back. And then just rest your back. And a lot of the time when our back is tight and sore, it's because of overdoing, overworking, over-efforting, and not having enough support. When there's tension in the lower back, it really points to not having enough support, not supporting ourselves, or not feeling like there's support around us. So when you lie on the ground, what you're doing in a number of different ways is supporting yourself. So you're physically supporting your back through the support of the ground. You're supporting your energy by resting, by actually noticing, considering yourself, and taking a few minutes out in your day just to rest and not do anything. And that the two of those, the physical support of the ground and that energetic support of just actually allowing yourself to rest, is often what your back is asking for, your back really needs. And then it's as simple as just feeling that, feeling the lower back resting, feeling your back with that comfort, that solid support. And if when you're lying here, pain starts to occur, often the thought is, the tendency is that we need to shift and adjust and try and take the pain away. You can put something soft like a blanket or a cushion under the hips, but also sometimes because this isn't actually, there's no disturbance to the body, there's no weight bearing, it's actually a really safe position for the back, that sometimes, and you need to sense this yourself, but sometimes maybe the pain needs to be noticed. Maybe you need to actually just breathe into it and allow the pain to actually come up and just move of its own accord, rather than, say, taking painkillers or adjusting or doing anything. Just feeling the pain as your body talking to you, as your body kind of maybe having a little cry inside, that feeling of like, it's not okay, I'm struggling. And as you listen to that, as you listen to the physical experience of pain and you breathe into it, what you might notice is it kind of gets towards almost a peak, and then it just starts to pass. It just starts to kind of move and change. And you'll explore this and keep coming back to this. And sometimes the pain is too much and you need to get up and move around. But just be curious about it. Curious about what your back is telling you, what it needs. So you're building this relationship. So that would be my go-to, my if in doubt. And of course there's lots of different things that are going on for different people in different ways, but that's a general first thing to come to when you have lower back tension, lower back pain. And just try that out and see how that feels, see how you get on. I'll see you soon. Take care.